So I got to order a new one of those. Number 3, after the air filter is done, honestly, people have asked me, what about improvements? What are you going to do to the car? Well, I probably would go after an MPT tune. Would be the very first thing I would do, would be a tune or a sprint booster, one of the two. There is a bit of lag and jet lag in the pedal unless you put it on sport mode, but I don't want to be driving on sport mode all the time, like 24/7. So there's that. So I would probably do an MPT tune would be number 1. Number 2 would be, I don't know if I can do this, would be the exhaust. And it's not going to be major exhaust, it's going to be little, but I do not believe I can do that because of the reason being that it is not, I didn't fully buy out the car, so it is like loaned at least. So modifying that would be a situation, as you know, and we can't be having that. So it depends on the type of people that you have and stuff like that. But if I was going to do something exhaust wise, it's going to be something little, not something like $1,500 or some stupid stuff like that, you know what I mean? Just something little. So other than that, that's pretty much about it for overall things that I'm gonna do to the car. I really like it. I enjoy the sound of it and how it sounds and everything. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.